It's definitely turning into, spooky season. It seems like we had all that fog today, Natasha, and then of course the haze too. Hopefully that goes away.
Yeah, the smoke will not be an issue for us as soon as we hop into Friday. Then we're going to see big improvements. Until then, we have to get through the dry weather and of course the air quality that is currently in the unhealthy category. That's going to continue through tomorrow. 71 right now for us in Portland. And today's high temperature altered by the amount of fog and smoke that we have in the air. Wind right now is barely there out of the northwest at 3 miles per hour. Temperatures overnight will be in the lower 60s to upper 50s. Here's a look at our current air quality. It's in the unhealthy category. The red dots represent that unhealthy category all the way from Clark County on down to Portland. You're also seeing the same conditions as soon as you make your way down closer to Salem. And then, of course, closer to the Cedar Creek fire, you're in the hazardous air quality category. So why is this happening? Yes, of course, we have our wildfires that are currently burning, adding to the amount of pollution there. But what makes it worse is when we get these inversions. So instead of seeing the coldest air on top, we're seeing the coldest air pushed to the bottom. So we have cold, dense, sinking air. This traps the wildfire smoke and any other pollutants out there, and it adds to the fog and makes it especially hard to see. So we'll likely be running into that same scenario again tomorrow morning. So where is that wildfire smoke going next? We'll have a little bit more of an offshore flow, so that should help us to some degree. Tomorrow late in the morning, we'll start to see that fog begin to clear. Air quality will still be an issue for us. We'll see more widespread smoke all the way out to the coast by tomorrow night. How about tomorrow morning's temperatures? Again, with some patchy areas of fog in the valley, we'll be right around 51 for you. Portland, Salem, about 48 degrees. For tomorrow afternoon, expecting that fog to clear perhaps a little bit sooner, but still smoke to be in the atmosphere. Your temperatures will range right around the mid-70s there. Portland, Salem, you might be a little bit warmer, closer to 80 degrees. So what's happening for us right now? That ridge of high pressure is still with us, and it doesn't budge until we get to the end of the week. Until then, temperatures will continue to be abnormally warm. We're talking about possibly reaching the upper 70s for you tomorrow. We get to Friday. There's that ridge breaking down. There's our trough of low pressure, ushering in much colder air. The chance to see at least 3 days in a row of rain and possibly our first mountain snowfall that would stick for more than just a couple of minutes. So how much rain are we talking about? Well, starting Friday late in the morning to midday, we'll start to see our first raindrops. By the end of the day Friday, we could be closer to about 8/10 of an inch for Portland up through Vancouver. Notice for the foothills, this is where you're going to see your biggest rainfall totals. This will be a concern over our recently burned areas. Yes, the rain will be helping, but the flip side of that is we're worried about mudslides if we get too much rain in one place. So now we get to Sunday night, we could be seeing rainfall totals of more than an inch, perhaps an inch and a quarter for you up and down the valley. At the coast, a little bit closer to 2 inches. Foothills anywhere from 2 to 2.5 inches possible, even measurable rain out towards Pendleton. So we labeled where some of our local fires are right now across southwest Washington, and we are expecting rain to fall over those areas. That is some good news. About 10:30, 11 o'clock in the morning, that's when we expect our first rainfall. As soon as we get to Saturday night, we'll get a little bit of a break in between systems. Here comes the colder air. There's your mountain snow. By the time we hit Sunday night, we're still seeing rain, still seeing some snow over the mountains. We could be seeing anywhere from a couple of inches to perhaps closer to a foot for some of our peaks. We're talking about way up there above 6,000 feet, especially as you make your way closer to the Canadian border. This is encouraging. This is a very encouraging sign to see colder air in the mix. Here's a look at that 7-day forecast. Temperatures dramatically cooler by Friday. We're in the mid-50s, and we stick with the 50s at least all the way through the weekend.
We're liking the changes, like what we're seeing. Thanks, Natasha.